students are wasting hours doing work that AI can do in seconds. In this video, I will show you 7 powerful AI tools every student should be using to save time, improve their work, and study smarter. Let's get started. The first tool is ChatGPT. This tool can help you understand difficult topics, generate ideas, and even explain concepts in a simple way. Instead of spending hours stuck on one problem, you can ask ChatGPT and get instant help. It is like having a personal tutor available 24/7. The second tool is Grammarly. Grammarly helps you fix grammar, spelling, and sentence structure in your writing. Whether you are writing essays, emails, or assignments, it makes your work look more professional. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your grades instantly. The third tool is Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize your notes, plan your tasks, and manage your study schedule. You can use it to create to-do lists, summarize notes, and keep everything in one place. It makes studying much more organized and less stressful. The fourth tool is QuillBot. QuillBot helps you rewrite and improve your sentences. This is especially useful when you are stuck trying to phrase something correctly. It can also help you paraphrase content and make your writing clearer. The fifth tool is Canva. Canva allows you to create presentations, posters, and visual projects easily. Instead of spending hours designing slides, you can create clean and professional designs in minutes. This is perfect for school presentations and group projects. The sixth tool is speech-to-text tools. These tools allow you to speak and convert your voice into written notes instantly. This is useful for brainstorming ideas or taking notes quickly without typing. It can save you a lot of time, especially during busy study sessions. The seventh tool is Pictory. Pictory allows you to turn text into videos automatically. Students can use it to create presentations, explain topics, or even start content creation. It is a great way to present information in a more engaging way. The truth is, students who use AI are not cheating, they are working smarter. If you start using these tools now, you will save hours of time and improve your results. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, which AI tool are you going to try first?